Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate the Adityanath government's Showpiece Purvanchal Expressway project from the state's Sultanpur district later this afternoon. The Prime Minister will land on the expressway in an Indian Air Force C-130 aircraft, address the rally and then witness an air show on the expressway landing strip. The inauguration comes just months before the crucial state election in Uttar Pradesh. Now, this is an expressway that will connect Lucknow with eastern Uttar Pradesh. It passes through Barabanki, Amethi, Sultanpur, Ayodhya, Azamgarh, Ambedkar Nagar, Mao and Ghazipur districts. However, there is a full-blown political storm over the Purvanchal Expressway. Ahead of the inauguration, a political controversy is broken out, with the Samajwadi Party claiming that the project was actually conceived during the tenure of Akhilesh Yadav. The foundation stone was laid back in December 2016. The party says the BJP is merely inaugurating a project that was conceptualized by Akhilesh Yadav, therefore calling it a symbolic inauguration. Akhilesh Yadav took to Twitter. He wrote, "With a ribbon from Lucknow and scissors from Delhi, there is rush to take credit for works done by the Samajwadi Party. I hope that those in Lucknow would have measured the length of the Samajwadi Purvanchal Expressway by now. The party will use flowers of all hues to inaugurate the expressway and give a befitting reply to those who have a one-dimensional mentality." The Uttar Pradesh government sources, however, have rubbished this claim, saying that the foundation stone for the project was laid in July 2018 by the Prime Minister in eastern Uttar Pradesh's Azamgarh, and the construction work has taken place during Yogi Adityanath's tenure as Chief Minister, and work has been completed in good time, irrespective of the roadblocks caused by the COVID pandemic. Alok Pandey reports.
Well, with just hours to go for the inauguration of the Purvanchal Expressway, whose shots you see on screen right now, there's a rush to actually take credit for its construction. While the BJP, of course, has left no stone unturned, the UP government, by putting up these hoardings, banners, posters all across the route from here to Sultanpur, where the Prime Minister will be attending the inauguration and also watching an air show on the airstrip designed or built on this expressway. The Samajwadi Party has also been tweeting, holding press conferences and claiming that they are the ones who actually conceptualized this expressway and even laid a foundation stone for it during the tenure of Akhilesh Yadav as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. The BJP has hit back, saying that if you are taking so much false credit, why don't you also take credit for the construction of the Ram temple? So really, political temperatures are very, very high. Some details about this expressway. This was built at the cost of 22,500 crores. It's 341 kilometers long. I'm going to just move to this side and let Rajesh give you a sweep of this side also. It is connecting Lucknow to Ghazipur in eastern UP and also Bihar onwards, because where the expressway ends is just 20 kilometers from the Bihar border. The government says that this expressway will improve connectivity to regions in eastern UP which are underdeveloped and which, of course, suffer from economic disparity as compared to the western part of the state. So this is what is happening. The government trying to project this as a big ticket showpiece project just ahead of the UP elections, the crucial state election that is due in less than 6 months from now.
Meanwhile, there has been government buses, state government buses that have actually been deployed to ensure that crowds are ferried through the venue of the expressway inauguration. And while this is happening, hundreds of buses have been seen queuing up at the rally venue. There are several common people who have been inconvenienced as buses are running delayed, have been diverted, and common folk who use the state government buses as transport on a daily basis are severely inconvenienced.
The Purvanchal Expressway in Uttar Pradesh, the Prime Minister is coming in to inaugurate it later in the day. A lot of people have come here for the rally. दीदी, आपका नाम क्या है? क्या नाम है?
लीलावती।
कहाँ से आई हैं?
बेथरा से।
कितनी दूर है यहाँ से?
यहाँ से लगभग 50 किलोमीटर होगा।
50 किलोमीटर भैया। आपका नाम क्या है?
गिरीश कुमार निषाद।
अच्छा, गिरीश ये बताइए कि आप लोग इसी बसों में बैठ के आए हैं?
हाँ, बसों में बैठ के आए हैं।
कोई प्रचार हुआ था आपके गांव में कि आपको आना है या?
हाँ, ब्लॉक जरिए प्लस प्रधान के जरिए हमें सूचना मिली थी
कि भाई यहाँ आना है।
हाँ, रैली है मोदी जी की।
ये बताइए एक्सप्रेसवे के बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं, मतलब ये क्यों अच्छा है यूपी के लिए या यूपी की व्यवस्था के लिए?
मोदी जी आए हैं उनके देखने के लिए, उनके सुनने के लिए हम यहाँ आए हैं।
अच्छा, और ये जो रोड जिसका वो
ये
कर
भी
रहे हैं,
अच्छा है।
क्यों अच्छा है बताइए?
भाई सब कुछ अच्छा है ना, देखने में भी अच्छा है, चलने भी अच्छा है, गड्ढा गुड्ढा नहीं है,
हाँ,
बढ़िया बना भी है।
अच्छा
हाँ,
अच्छा। आपका नाम क्या है दीदी?
जी सीता देवी।
आप कहाँ से आई? नहीं
दोस्तपुर। जी जी
अच्छा,
दोस्तपुर।
अच्छा।
दोस्तपुर ब्लॉक
आपके हिसाब से क्यों ये रोड बनना जरूरी था? आपके हिसाब से क्या
जी
अच्छा?
आने जाने के लिए वो सुविधा, जैसे कि अब वहाँ ट्रैफिक जाम रहता था,
हाँ।
उसके बाद अब रोड हो गया हमारे यहाँ बगल से है, बगल से जो है आने जाने में सुविधा, लखनऊ का हो गया, उधर बलिया का हो गया। अच्छा तो है ही है।
बीजेपी कार्यकर्ता है या फिर मतलब?
नहीं नहीं, हम आशा बहू हैं।
अच्छा, आशा बहू।
जी
तो आप इन लोग को लेके आई हैं?
नहीं, हम लेकर नहीं आए, हम
अकेले
इन लोगों
आए?
के साथ नहीं, ये लोग साथ में है लेकिन हमको कोई सूचना नहीं थी,
हाँ, हाँ।
इसलिए प्रधान भी द्वारा नहीं था, हम अपने आप आए हैं।
अपने आप आए?
जी
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच। आप लोग निकल जाइए। सो लाइक आई सेड, ऑल ऑफ दीज पीपल हियर कमिंग इन टू लिसन टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. हिज रैली इज शेड्यूल्ड लेटर इन द आफ्टरनून, but hundreds of buses bringing in all of these people from locations 50 to 100 kilometers away to the Prime Minister's rally. With Rajesh Gupta, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.